Alright, so if you've been watching the last few videos, there's going to be 3 in a row where I'm doing the same style, same colors, because I am in love with this color palette. And I've got plenty of paint to work with, so I'm just going to keep on making these beautiful paintings with these colors. So I hope you're enjoying it as much as I am. If this is the first one you found, I am doing my regular recipe of Floetrol to paint, but this time I bumped it up to 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint for my regular colors. So I used Liquitex Basics Prism Violet, Master's Touch Phthalocyanine Blue, and Rouge. Master's Touch Thick Body Acrylic Cobalt Turquoise. This is a new tube that I got, $10. They're a little bit more expensive. So when I put it in my cup, I did about 4 parts to Floetrol to 1 part paint because it's thicker paint. You don't have to use as much. And DecoArt 24 karat gold, it's the bomb. That is mixed, maybe 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. And then my white is Artist Loft Flow White Acrylic mixed with DecoArt Satin Enamel White and Folk Art Chalk Paint. I accidentally picked up chalk paint instead of milk paint, so it's not really doing the pearl cells like the white paint typically does, which is totally okay, because these paintings have turned out so beautiful that I don't care that I get the pearly cells. I don't have any silicone or OGX in any of the colors. You don't need it because they're making beautiful cells on their own. I'm using a little dustpan. It's like a child's dustpan size or a smaller brush set that I got. It may be on my Amazon link. And a 5-ounce cup is what I'm putting my colors into. So I'm going to put a little white, blue, and switch it up a little bit, this time purple, cobalt turquoise, metallic gold, and that prism violet. Whoa. Flip it over on the dustpan, and if you spill it, that's okay. It's going to all work out regardless. So you have more than enough paint. So I'm lifting the canvas a bit and starting on one end. And so it's tilting, but I'm also dragging it right off the edge of the canvas. Okay, and then I'm just going to tilt some. Make sure it's gone over the edge there. So this is very similar to the other ones I did prior to this one. All right. Another beauty. So I've done 3, so there's a triptych of these beautiful canvases. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please click on the like button, give me a thumbs up, click on the bell on the bottom right to get notifications when I post new videos. Check out all the links below the video where it says show more on your laptop or the down arrow on your mobile device, and that will notify you when I post new videos. As always, I appreciate everyone following my art journey and being so encouraging and uplifting. And please come over and join me on my Facebook group. I would love to have you there. We have a great group of talented artists and encouraging people that lift each other up and constantly post beautiful, beautiful pictures of the work that they're doing. And check out my Thinkific platform below the video. There's a link there. I've done about 7 classes now. They're $35 and you can just purchase what you're interested in. If you would like to learn a little bit more about traditional art with acrylics and paintbrushes, I've been an artist for 20 years, so I want to teach people how to paint all kinds of art. So check that out if you would like to take a class and do it in the comfort of your home. So I will see you on the next video, and you have a great day. See you later. Bye-bye.